Hello, I'm Vince Hauser. I'm the owner here at Absolute Overhead Door, and today I am answering common questions about garage doors that are not working properly. So the next question I have is, why will my garage door not close when I hit the garage door opener button? Well, as in always, there's multiple reasons this could be happening, but the number one reason is that you have an issue going on with your safety eyes on your garage door opener. Regardless of what brand, any model that was made in the last 20 years is required to have safety eyes. The safety eyes are located at the bottom of the door. There'll be one on each side. Those two eyes have to be pointing directly at each other. And when you go to align those, the majority of them have a thumb screw on the front. If they don't, a bunch of them will have a thumb screw on the back. Some have a bracket that you just have to twist. But regardless, those eyes have to be pointed at each other. So you loosen up the thumb screw, wiggle the eye around to where it's pointing absolutely directly. And the biggest issue that we have when we explain this to people is they think that the eye, when it moves in the bracket, has to look like it's right in the bracket. The bracket is there just to hold the eye. So when you are adjusting safety eyes, make sure that that eye is parallel with the wall. That way you know it's running straight, because I've told people over the phone hundreds of times, on that it sounds like a safety eye alignment issue and what to do, and they say, nope, it's not, I've already done that, and then we send a technician out there, and that's what it is. So it's an easy fix, but I sometimes feel bad for people that didn't listen to what I told them the first time about adjusting their safety eyes. So just make sure that eye is parallel with the wall, and because there's a lot of things bicycles, garbage cans, lawn mowers, brooms, those are the biggest culprit to knock eyes out of alignment, but it happens all the time. So that is the first thing you need to do when your door won't close. Most of the time, even if it is a safety eye issue, you can press and hold the button on the wall until the door goes to the ground. Because holding the wall button overrides the safety eyes. That will not work with remote controls, because remote controls send out a pulse signal. It's not continuous. The wall button is wired directly in, so when you press the button, the garage door opener knows that you have to be holding it for that signal to be sent. So it's receiving a continuous signal. That wall button has to be located to where you can see the door. So that's the safety mechanism, and why it allows you to override the safety eyes. If that will not close your door, call us, because you got something else pretty serious going on, most likely, and it's beyond the scope of answering this question, because it's most likely it's going to be a fairly serious issue. So give us a call, hit the schedule now button. We'll come out there today and take care of it. Thank you.